Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add an inventory item in Zoho Books. This process allows you to track products in your inventory system, monitor stock levels, and manage purchases and sales efficiently. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to zoho.com/books. Once the page loads, log in to your Zoho Books account using your credentials. Make sure you're using an account with permissions to manage inventory, as this feature requires proper access rights. After logging in, look to the left sidebar and click on Items. This section is where all your products and services are stored, and it's the hub for managing everything related to inventory tracking. Once you're on the Items page, click the plus New button located at the top right corner. This opens the item creation form where you'll define all the details about your new inventory item. Now, you'll be prompted to select the item type. Click on Goods to indicate that this is a physical inventory item rather than a service. This selection is important because it determines how Zoho Books will handle tracking and accounting for this item. Next, type in the item name clearly. Choose a name that's easy to identify and specific enough to distinguish this product from others in your inventory. This name will appear on invoices, purchase orders, and reports, so clarity is key. Now it's time to fill in the sales details. Enter the sales price that you'll charge customers for this item, then select the appropriate sales account from the dropdown. This account determines where revenue from selling this item will be recorded in your books. After that, move on to the purchase details. Enter the purchase price that you pay suppliers for this item and select the appropriate purchase account. This ensures that costs are tracked accurately when you buy stock. Here's a crucial step. Check the box labeled Track Inventory for this item. This activates inventory tracking, allowing Zoho Books to monitor stock levels, movements, and values automatically. Without enabling this, the item won't function as true inventory. Next, select the inventory account that will track this item's stock value and choose your preferred inventory valuation method. This account reflects the value of your inventory on your balance sheet, so make sure it aligns with your accounting structure. Once everything is filled out, click Save to create the inventory item. The item is now active in your system, but we're not quite done yet. Click on your newly created item to open its overview page. Look for the opening stock and stock on hand indicators. Click the Edit button next to these fields. Enter the opening stock quantity, which represents how much inventory you're starting with, and confirm the stock on hand figure. Then click Save to finalize these values. And that's it. Your inventory item is now fully set up and being tracked in Zoho Books. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.